JD Cap 26 here, just interested in hobbies, and I'm going to show you how to clean one of these. Stay tuned. Open up your cabinet here of the X1 and just pull your plate out. Let's go over to the sink now. Take the plate, and here it is. This is the side you want to clean, and this side too. So, take some liquid soap, put it on the plate. With your fingers, you go like this, okay? Just like that, with just the balls of your fingers, okay? And turn the water on, hot and cold, rinse your fingers, rinse the plate, okay? You want to do both sides like this. Okay, rinse that side, and do this side now. Okay, like this. Okay, do both sides. Okay, with your fingers, not your nails. Don't use SOS. Okay, clean it off. Rinse it, keep rinsing it. Get it off your hands. Get all the soap off. Go to this side again. Rinse it. Of course, the warmer the water, the better it is. So whatever you can tolerate for the water. You don't want to burn your hands either, so don't do that. Okay, let's turn it off. Put it aside. Grab a dish towel and wipe it dry. Okay. Some people like to set it aside for a while. Just get all the water moisture. See how it looks? Nice. Get it all dry. That's it. Cut.